वेलकम इन ट्रूथ न्यूज में आपका स्वागत है। 14 मार्च 2025 को मेक्सिको में सिस्टर लीसा की अध्यक्षता में ईश्वर के घर का उत्सव दिवस मनाया जाएगा। ईश्वर ने देखा कि किसी भी व्यक्ति ने 23वां अवतार आदिशि अरुण तथा 24वां अवतार भगवान कल्कि जी के रहने के लिए घर नहीं बनवाया तो उन्हें बहुत दुख हुआ। उन्होंने अपने प्रियतम भक्त सिस्टर लीसा जी को प्रेरणा दी कि वे 23वां अवतार आदिशि अरुण तथा 24वां अवतार भगवान कल्कि जी को रहने के लिए घर बनाए। ईश्वर की इच्छा पूरी हो, इसलिए सिस्टर लीसा ने 23वां अवतार आदिशि अरुण और 24वां अवतार लॉर्ड क्राइस्ट जीसस भगवान कल्कि जी को रहने के लिए मेक्सिको में घर बनवाई, जो मार्च 2025 में बनकर तैयार हो गया। सिस्टर लीसा ने 14 मार्च 2025 को मेक्सिको के पुण्य भूमि पर गॉड्स हाउस एस्टैब्लिशमेंट डे मनाने की घोषणा की। ईश्वर के घर का उत्सव दिवस एक पवित्र और आनंदमय अवसर है, जो श्रद्धालुओं द्वारा भक्ति, प्रेम और आस्था के साथ मनाया जाता है। ये दिन भगवान की उपस्थिति का अनुभव करने, उनके आशीर्वाद प्राप्त करने और आध्यात्मिक उन्नति की ओर बढ़ने का अवसर प्रदान करता है। इस विशेष दिन को विभिन्न धार्मिक परंपराओं में अलग अलग नामों और विधियों से मनाया जाता है, लेकिन इसका मूल उद्देश्य एक ही होता है, परमात्मा की स्तुति और उनके प्रति कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करना। अब संक्षिप्त में जानिए कि सिस्टर लीसा जी से कि उन्होंने इस अवसर के लिए क्या बोली। विशेष जानने का अवसर आपको 14 मार्च 2025 को मिलेगा। Welcome in Truth News on the 14th of March 2025. God's House Establishment Day will be celebrated in Mexico under the chairmanship of Sis. Lisa. God felt very sad when he saw that no one had built a house for the 23rd incarnation Adishi Arun and 24th incarnation Lord Kalki Ji to live. He inspired his beloved devotee Sis Lisa to build a house for the 23rd incarnation Adishi Arun and 24th incarnation Lord Kalki Ji to live, so that God's wish is fulfilled. Sis Lisa built a house for the 23rd incarnation Adishi Arun and 24th incarnation Lord Christ Jesus Lord Kalki Ji to live in Mexico, which was completed in March 2025. Sis Lisa announced to celebrate God's House Establishment Day on the 14th of March 2025 on the Holy Land of Mexico. The feast day of the House of God is a sacred and joyous occasion, celebrated by the devotees with devotion, love and faith. This day provides an opportunity to experience the presence of God, receive His blessings and move towards spiritual advancement. This special day is celebrated with different names and methods in different religious traditions, but its basic purpose is the same: to praise the Almighty and express gratitude to Him. Now know in brief from Sis Lisa Ji what she said on this occasion. You will get the opportunity to know the special on the 14th of March 2025.
The construction of the Lord's house. In the Bible, the building of the house of God, a temple, church, or holy place, is presented as a divine plan and purpose. In various texts of the Bible, it is mentioned that God Himself gives instructions for His dwelling place, and His divine plan works in its construction. According to the Bible, the house of God is not just a physical structure, but it is a symbol of His presence. It is a place where worshippers gather to worship, pray, and glorify God. Many times in the Bible, God instructed His people to build a holy place for Him. In Exodus 25, verse 8, "And let them build me a holy place that I may dwell among them." This verse clearly shows that God Himself commanded the Israelites to build a holy place for them, proving that it was part of His plan. In Solomon's temple, we have evidence of God's plan. One of the most important examples in the Bible is the first temple built by King Solomon, called Solomon's Temple. In 1 Kings chapter 6, verses 12 and 13, God said to Solomon, "If you walk in my statutes and keep my commandments, I will keep my promise to you and dwell in this temple." This temple was not just Solomon's idea, but God himself was behind this work. He had already given King David, Solomon's father, the plan to build this temple. In 1 Chronicles 28, verse 19, David said, "Everything the Spirit of the Lord wrote down for me so that I could know what the plan of this house should be." This makes it clear that it was God's plan to build a house, and he directed his servants to carry it out.